inspiring innovative minds. So Nata exam test 1 is over. So in this video we are going to discuss how was the exam and what are the some we will discuss some memory based questions, and also I will give my own what I felt about the questions for Nata, particularly test 2. Okay, that means shift 2 for computer based examination, who are opted for test center. And also I will also give you reviews from other students and also from the YouTube. Okay, so I will go with the memory based questions first. And this was a question from physics, and this was the first question during the shift 2. Which of the following materials has magnetic susceptibility negative? So negative value of magnetic susceptibility, and the answer is diamagnetic substances. Okay, we are only discussing some questions which I remember and many others told to me. Okay, and this there was a integration question from maths, and it was integral of 0 to 1 root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x dx, and the answer is minus pi by 2 minus 1. And this is the next question, and it came from arithmetic aptitude, but yes, we should know some set theory and all those concepts. So one school has 150 students and 50 of them passed in maths, 40 of them failed on chemistry only, and 20 of them failed for both subjects. How many failed in at least one of the subjects? So we can go through the question. Okay, so there are in total 150 students. 50 of them passed in mathematics, 40 of them failed on chemistry. So we need at least one of the subject. How many students failed? So already we have 40 with us who failed only in chemistry, and also 20 of them failed for both the subjects, so it will make you 60. And then 50 of them passed in maths, 50 of them passed in maths, and also 40 of them failed in chemistry only. So in this part these 40 will be passed in maths, so we can exclude from 50 of those who passed in maths, 40 of them will be failed in chemistry. Okay, so altogether only 10 of them passed the examination. Okay, and so the total students who failed in at least one of the subjects will be 140. And you can comment below if you got any other answers or something like that. This is a question which will feel like some confused. Okay, all these passed and failed concepts. Okay, and the next one is this: the method of preparation of sodium hydroxide. This was from chemistry. And next question was from general awareness: who is the pioneer of modern architecture? There are many of them, but from the options we can select only one, and that was Walter Gropius. Okay, and another question was this: which among the following is a deconstructivist architect? And the answer is Daniel Libeskind. Okay, now moving on to part A, which we were so curious about. So this was the first question of part A. We need to find out the hidden tigers from the figure given. Okay, so actually this figure was revolving around the social medias as just a funny question. So this came for Nata and it was the first question for 17 marks in first second shift. And we should the questionnaire asks how many hidden tigers are there excluding these four main tigers. So we can check. The answer is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, there are 12 tigers excluding this part. Okay, and the next few questions were related to design principles like we discussed, but it was too difficult to spot which are the most appropriate one. There were balance, okay, concepts like balance, repetition, rhythm, gradation, and many things. We have not got any, picture with us. So actually, these were based on design principles and Gestalt principles, which I have discussed shortly in one video. But while discussing one of the questions related to proximity, I taught you about Gestalt principles also. So there were questions relating that, then also related to three-dimensional, 3D figures. What are the qualities of 3D figures? We need to know that. And also a question based on color scheme. One image is given and you should pick up a image which will suit the color scheme or which will match with the color scheme given in the question figure. And also there was a question asking for you to find one black and white figure for which it will match with the painting given. Okay, one painting is given and we need to spot out the black and white image of that without all those shadings and all those things, just a scribbling type drawing. So that was the other figure. Okay, now this was a question, and question asked move two matchsticks such that you will make four squares. Okay, we have five squares out here and we need to make four squares out of this by just moving two matchsticks. Okay, and the correct option is you should move this one towards this and should move this one towards this side. So we will get a figure like this. Oh, sorry. We'll get a figure like this. Sorry, again sorry. Last time. Okay, we are getting a figure like this. Okay, here is one of the replaced matchstick and here is other replaced matchstick. So we will end up with 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares. This was the correct thing, but the options were not related to the figure, but they sentenced them. 4 options were two big sentences and we need to choose them. Okay, and yeah, I'm so happy today because I made a video on illusion as a Nata brush up part of video, and I discussed basalt effect clearly with examples, and in this Nata shift 2 examination they asked about basalt effect. Yeah, same sentence which I taught you in the video, and they asked which of these matches with the effect. And the answer was basalt effect. So I was so happy to see that, and also many commented on the YouTube channel that they are grateful to me and they got the question right. So thank you so much for watching that video. I will keep on uploading the videos, and yes, I will upload two max full set paper solving from 20 to 25 or 20 questions in each part with numerical type question. Okay, so I will upload that soon for tomorrow or tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, so watch that if you are preparing for JEBR, and if you are preparing for Nata part 2 test. I will upload videos after JEBR examination is over. So keep watching this channel so that you will never miss any topics regarding the JEBR or Nata syllabus. And also do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. So thank you guys for watching.